Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Kristin Hildabrand, Warren County Extension Agent for Horticulture. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Joanna.
Well, I'm glad you're here today talking a little bit about an exciting week that's coming up where we can celebrate trees.
Yeah, it's exciting to be able to talk about Tree Week. Just to kind of give a rundown about what Tree Week is all about. This project was actually started in Lexington 5 years ago. And then because Bowling Green had some of the tornado damage that received back in December of 2021, Bowling Green is now participating in Tree Week. And there's some other cities that have gotten involved in Tree Week too. And it's just basically a celebration for the community to participate in. And that way we're celebrating our trees, because trees really do offer a lot of services or good benefits to us. And so if you think about some of those benefits, I mean, they really cool down cities, especially if you're talking about the large shade trees. They offer beautification. So there's a lot of seasonal interest with trees. Oftentimes, they harbor a lot of different wildlife and birds, a lot of things like that. And so there's just a lot of great benefits behind trees. And for this year, 2022, it's October the 8th all the way to October the 16th. And so what they do is every day that's offered in that week, there's going to be different activities. And so there may be some other things going on in Bowling Green, other organizations that they'll have different activities, because it's not just trees, but also green spaces too, because, trees do help a lot in those transitional areas. So they might be doing something like yoga outside, or they might be doing actual tree giveaways or tree plantings. They could be offering different educational webinars. So there's just a lot of things that are involved in Tree Week. So we're really excited here at the Extension Office to be participating in Tree Week. And so the dates for our particular event are going to be offered October the 11th, which is on a Tuesday, October the 13th on a Thursday, and then on Friday, October the 14th. So during those days, we're going to be offering some certified monarch way station tours. But what we have found is that butterflies really do like a lot of trees. Matter of fact, they'll actually be doing some of their complete life cycle up in trees. And so sometimes we don't think about looking up. When we think about butterfly gardening, we think about perennials and things like that, but there's actually a lot of things that are supporting wildlife in trees. So we're going to do that in conjunction with Tree Week, and we're going to share some of the literature that we found that works for attracting different butterflies, and then hopefully be able to pass out. There's a really good publication that we have at the university. It's called Forestry 68, and there's like different trees and also shrubs that will attract a lot of different wildlife too. So we're going to have that information available for anybody that would like to hear and participate in that. So these are all free, Joanna, so you don't have to pay anything. We just ask that people register. And so we have a QR code that's going to be posted on our social media site at Warren County Agriculture. So if you want to check it out there, or on the Warren County Extension Master Gardener Facebook page. And so you can click on the QR code. There'll also be a link that's posted there if you just want to click on the link, and then you can register for which day that you would like to come. Now, as long as you participate in the tours, we're also going to be giving a different tree away that also supports other wildlife too. We don't know exactly what all our combinations will be, but we know it'll be probably a little bit of some oaks and some maples, maybe even some evergreens, but we're only going to be giving out probably one per family. So, it's going to be a great activity. We're also going to have available the tree identification. So if you have youth that would like to do a tree walk on their own, because I know we have those leaf collections that a lot of schools actually have their students do, that would be very helpful in identifying a lot of different trees in Kentucky. And it's a very useful guide, because there's a lot of different things you look for in identification of trees, not just their leaf arrangement, but the leaf shapes that they have, and some other identifying factors like the bark, or if it's got flowers. In October there's not a lot of flowers at that time, because a lot of leaf color is changing at that point. But we're really excited to be participating, and the Bowling Green will also have some other activities that'll come out later. So if you're interested in other activities, just contact our office and we can get you the full rundown of schedule.
All right, Kristin, appreciate the information. We invite you to come celebrate Tree Week with the Warren County Master Gardeners. Thanks for watching and have a great day.